Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some cheesy tuna burger. So before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Let's get started. Here in my bowl I have 2 cans of chunky tuna in water. So what I did here is to remove all the water. Do not use the one in the oil. When you use that one, it's going to be moist and it will not form the burger properly. So ensure that you use the one in water. So here I'm going to be using some natural seasoning. I have onion, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic and sweet pepper. So what I'm going to do is to cut them off camera. So here I cut them up. As you can see guys, I try to cut them as small as I can. So use the pepper to your taste. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the seasoning into the bowl with the tuna. If you are not a lover of natural seasoning, don't worry about it. You will not taste it in the burgers. Add a little salt. Remember the tuna is salty, so we just need a little salt in it to flavor it. Alright, so all the ingredients will be listed in the description box, so remember to check it out. Here I am adding some breadcrumbs. I am going to be adding it gradually, so as I mix I'm going to see if it needs more. If it do, then I'm going to add more. So I am using my homemade breadcrumbs. You can use a store-bought. So to make my homemade breadcrumbs, I just grind up the bread pieces in the blender. Afterwards I toast it. After you finish combining the ingredients together and it has this texture, then you're going to place it into your refrigerator for about an hour or 2 until it sets. So what I'm doing here is to just cover it with plastic wrap. Then I'm going to place it in the fridge. This is how it looks after I remove it from the fridge. So now I'm going to take a handful of the mixture and form them into the burger patties. If you are enjoying my recipe, please remember to tap the subscribe button. Also turn on all notifications so you not miss any of my uploads. So this is how they look after I finish making them. So I only got 3, but if you want to get more guys, it's going to be smaller. So this is the size of my burger bun, so that's why I did it this size. So here I have my burgers in the pot. I have 2 tablespoons of oil, so I'm going to fry them on a medium to low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So here I'm just gently turning it onto the other side. So after I flip it over, I'm going to add my cheese slices. Here I have my toasted buns. So guys, I love it this way guys. I love it, it's crispy and golden brown. So I'm going to start adding some mayo on it. So I love a lot of mayonnaise, guys. So if you like, you can add a little amount, but I love a lot. But if you don't like mayo, guys, you can just add the things that you like to add to your burger. So that's what I'm doing to mine. What I am adding here is a little mixture with mayo and ketchup. Guys, trust me, it makes the sandwich so good, guys. So after I'm finished adding that, I'm going to add some more tomato slices. You can also add your lettuce. As I say, whatever you want to add to your burger. Alright, so this is what I love in mine. So afterwards, I'm going to add the other side of the bun, but I also toasted it and add some mayo as well. So this is the finished look, guys. Trust me, guys, it was so good. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So now I'm going to take a bite and let you see how it looks inside. Look at that, guys, so juicy and delicious. Wow. So if you try this recipe, guys, please remember to tag me on Instagram